Welcome guys in this channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to active guest network for your guest. As you can see, this is the available Wi-Fi now I have. So now I want to add one more for my guest. So from here click to guest network and then check this box to active, and then I'm going to give this name Autodesk Learning Center. Okay, and for the password also I want Autodesk. And now from here you can select schedule or not schedule. If you want to select timeout, so you need to write, for example, 2 hours and how many minutes. If someone connect to this, is they can use only for now, they can use for 2 hours. So if you want to get the schedule, so you can select every day uh, or selected day, up to you. If you selected day, you can select one by one. If you want every day, that's for all the day. And also you can change from here all date for 24 hours, or you can unbox this and you can write in here started time, for example, from 10 p.m. to, for example, 6 in the morning. So you can set like that. So I'm going to set it for 24 hours and then click to save. Okay, and now let's see. So let's see, if you click to Wi-Fi, and here you can see, as you can see, Autodesk Learning Center, that I created this user for my guest. If you click to this and then click to connect, you dial your password and then it will connect automatically. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.